The Ebro brand, which has a history of manufacturing industrial vehicles in Spain, returns with the S700, a midsize SUV model measuring 4.55 meters in length, aiming to conquer the national and European markets. The company operates in the former Nissan factory in Barcelona and has access to its own technology thanks to the support of Chery. The S700 is based on the Omoda 5 and Drive 6.0 platforms and shares their architecture and some mechanical components. At launch, it will be offered with a 147 horsepower 1.6 turbo engine and a dual-clutch automatic transmission. A plug-in hybrid version with 347 horsepower and an electric range of up to 90 kilometers will be added later, which will appeal more to customers looking for the zero label. Compared to rivals such as the MG HS or the Renault Austral, the S700 has a less risky design but an aggressive price. The interior stands out with its spacious interior and quality workmanship. There is a large dual digital display, a modern multimedia interface based on chips used by brands such as Xpeng or Geely, and a high-quality 360-degree camera system. In addition, the entry-level version offers generous equipment such as LED headlights, a rear-view camera, keyless entry and parking sensors. The model is offered in two equipment levels, with a difference of around €3,000. The upper equipment level includes synthetic leather seats, electric adjustments, a panoramic roof and Sony signature sound equipment. The Ebro S700 will initially be available with a 147 horsepower 1.6 turbo engine without any hybrid system. It is offered with a dual-clutch automatic transmission, 7 DCT, and front-wheel drive. This engine has been optimized compared to the previous versions used in other models of the group, resulting in a smoother response and more efficient consumption. In April 2025, a 347 horsepower plug-in hybrid version will be added, combining a 1.5 turbo petrol engine with an electric motor. The Ebro S700 plug-in hybrid will have an electric range of 90 kilometers and a battery capacity that has not yet been confirmed, probably around 18.3 kilowatt-hours. It will support alternating current and direct current charging of up to 40 kilowatts, allowing it to be charged quickly at compatible points. Under the wheel, the Ebro S700 looks like a well-balanced SUV with a firm suspension that supports stability on the road, but it can be a bit dry on rough terrain. Its steering is precise and its braking is responsive, with no noticeable weak points. The 147 horsepower engine provides sufficient acceleration for everyday use, but it does not stand out with its sportiness. The dual-clutch transmission performs gear changes smoothly in normal driving, but it may not be as fast as other similar systems under hard acceleration. Sound insulation is adequate. There is no particularly noticeable sound insulation element, but there are no major shortcomings either. On the road, the S700 offers good driving comfort as an SUV suitable for both long distances and city journeys. The 1.6 turbo is expected to consume around 7 to 8 L/100 km in the combined cycle. This places it in the average for its segment, although hybrid models such as the Toyota RAV4 or Renault Austral E-Tech can offer lower consumption with the ECO label. The Ebro S700 offers good performance for its segment. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 9 seconds, while its top speed exceeds 180 km per hour. The future plug-in hybrid version will significantly improve these figures, offering faster acceleration and better response when overtaking. The S700 is equipped with a full suite of assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, collision warning, lane keeping assistant and a 360-degree camera with 3D vision. In this respect, it ranks well against rivals such as the MG HS or the Kia Sportage, but some advanced aids such as the semi-autonomous driving assistant are missing.